Whether you're a professional mechanic or just enjoy working on your motorcycle, BikeMaster has the right tools and parts to get the job done. If you want your motorcycle to put more power to the ground, then you need to take a look at the BikeMaster line of sprockets. BikeMaster is pleased to announce the introduction of sprockets to their extensive product line. This new sprocket line includes a wide range of applications and sizes for street and off-road motorcycles as well as ATVs. Our sprockets are meticulously engineered using the highest quality materials and industry-leading technology to provide the best replacement sprockets for your motorcycle. The BikeMaster front performance sprockets have been machined for longer wear. They've also been heat treated to provide extended durability. Our rear sprockets are machined from 1045 steel and coated with a beautiful black cataphoresis finish. These are a perfect match for the BikeMaster line of chains. The best way to judge a product is to find out how well it does what it's supposed to do. Our products perform exactly like we say they do because they've been performance tested before even going into production. So if you're in the market for a performance sprocket for your street or off-road motorcycle, as well as your ATV, then it's settled. You need an attractive design that reduces weight, but more importantly, the durability and the wide range of applications and sizes that the BikeMaster line of sprockets offers. You can get yours today from your local Tucker Rocky or Biker's Choice dealer, starting around that $7 mark. If you need more information on this BikeMaster product or other products like this one, please give us a call at 877-848-1320 or visit us at BikeMaster.com. Build your dream and ride with confidence with a little help from BikeMaster.